Sharps Chapel, a peninsula surrounded by Norris Lake, its marinas, and the lake lifestyle. This could be your next home at 450 Walker Road. With 5 bedrooms and 4 baths, this 2-level home offers 4,300 square feet of luxurious living area on 20 acres with 360-degree breathtaking overlooks. The most inviting great room on hardwood flooring is centered by the first of 2 propane fireplaces. Immediately adjacent to the foyer is an excellent sitting room. It could also make the perfect home office. The open floor plan allows easy access throughout. Here's the most formal dining room, your center for great entertainment. Fully equipped, this kitchen is truly state-of-the-art with a walk-in pantry to match. The breakfast nook is perfect for quiet moments, and just beyond, the glass sun porch brings the panoramic views any time of year. 5 bedrooms are private, cozy, and serene. All will fit the needs of every family member, including, of course, this spacious master suite. The adjacent bath offers this luxuriating walk-in shower and spacious vanity. What's more, the lower level can be totally independent of the upper, accessible from the stairway or outside entrance. This 5th bedroom would also make a great gym or rec room. As an in-law or guest suite, it's perfect, with every amenity you would expect from a separate living area. And this home is handicapped equipped throughout, with a host of features throughout the property, including this detached 1,200 square foot heated garage and workshop. 450 Walker Road in Sharps Chapel extends an invitation for your private tour. Call Terri Gates Mcilravy of Lake Homes Realty direct at 931-397-0277.